As per the most recent information accumulated, the very current cost of Aptos is $4.31, and able generally is buy and buy truly positioned now. 66 in the very whole crypto environment in an unobtrusive manner. The core supply of Aptos generally is 130 million able, with a market cap of $560,900,794.28 in a genuinely significant manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has expanded by 10 cents in its genuinely current worth, or so they explicitly thought. Aptos basically is confronting an extremely tough time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. Well-suited in a real sense has fallen by practically 39.08% in the especially most recent 7 days, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. With worries about the related dangers heightening in the beyond couple of days, we don't essentially figure the coin would in every way that really matters be a productive resource temporarily, despite the fact that it could all things considered, major areas of strength for have in an unpretentious manner. Inside the for the most part last month, the cost of able by and large has diminished by 48.54%, dispensing with an astounding in every practical sense, normal amount of $2.09 from its certainly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected drop in a real sense implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it can commonly be a very decent purchasing and open door for extremely fast venture, which is genuinely critical. Aptos value expectation 2022 in a significant manner. As per the specialized examination of Aptos costs expected in 2022, the truly least expensive Aptos will fundamentally be $4.35. The greatest level that the well-suited cost can in a real sense reach generally is $4.78, which generally is very huge. The fundamentally normal exchanging cost really is normal around $4.52, which basically is very critical. Well-suited value figure for November 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. In view of the value changes of Aptos toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists explicitly expect the in every practical sense normal able pace of $4.43 in November 2022 in an unpretentious way. Its base and especially greatest costs can in every way that really matters be normal at $4.05 and at $4.56. Separately, or so they in a real sense thought. December 2022, Aptos value gauge in an especially significant way. Cryptographic money specialists are for the most part prepared to report their gauge at the able cost in December 2022 in a huge way basically. The in every practical sense, least exchanging cost may be $4.35, while the very most extreme could reach $4.78 during this month in a really significant manner. By and large, it most certainly is normal that the worth of Aptos could by and large be around $4.52 in a for the most part significant manner. Aptos value forecast 2023 in a large manner. After the examination of the costs of Aptos in earlier years, it for the most part is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Aptos will truly be around $6.41, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The greatest expected well-suited cost might be around $7.59, which in every way that really matters is very critical. By and large, the exchanging cost could be $6.63 in 2023. Aptos value forecast 2024 in a significant manner. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Aptos, in 2024, well-suited truly is supposed to in every way that really matters have the accompanying kind of least and especially most extreme costs, about $9.09 and $11.19 separately. The extremely normal expected exchanging cost generally is $9.36, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Aptos value forecast 2025 in an extremely large manner. The specialists in the field of digital currency especially have examined the costs of Aptos and their vacillations during the earlier years, which generally is very critical. It by and large is accepted that in 2025, the base able cost could drop to $13.53, while its extremely greatest can for the most part reach $15.92, which certainly is genuinely huge. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $14 in an unpretentious manner. Aptos value forecast 2026 in a significant manner. In view of the examination of the expenses of Aptos by crypto specialists, the accompanying pretty greatest and truly least well-suited costs explicitly are normal in 2026, $23.35 and $19.78, which is genuinely critical. By and large, it will be exchanged at $20.34, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Aptos value expectation 2027. Crypto specialists really are continually breaking down the vacillations of Aptos in a for the most part huge manner. In light of their expectations, the assessed sort of typical adept cost will generally be around $28.15, which in a real sense is very critical. It could drop to a genuinely least of $27.34, yet it actually could especially reach $33.56 all through 2027, which basically is very critical. Aptos Value Forecast 2028, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan gauges at the cost of Aptos, which sort of is genuinely critical. It generally is assessed that ABLE will fundamentally be exchanged somewhere in the range of $39.50 and $47.19 in 2028. Or so they basically thought. Its typical expense in every way that really matters is normal at around $40.91 during the year in a sort of huge manner. Aptos Value Expectation 2029, which generally is genuinely huge. Digital money examiners essentially are genuinely prepared to declare their assessments of the Aptos cost. Fundamentally, as opposed to prevalent thinking for the most part. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the greatest able cost of $68.73 amazingly. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $58.36 in an all things considered, significant way. Thus, the normal in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost generally is $60, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Aptos Value Forecast 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Following quite a while of examination of the Aptos cost, crypto specialists certainly are genuinely prepared to generally give their well-suited cost assessment to 2030, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. It will fundamentally be exchanged for at in every practical sense, least $88.23, with the conceivable truly most extreme tops at $102.48 amazingly. By and large, you can truly anticipate that the well-suited cost should in every practical sense be around $90.63 in 2030 in a very significant manner. Aptos Value Expectation 2031, or so they especially thought. Digital currency examiners fundamentally are prepared to declare their assessments of the Aptos cost explicitly. The year 2031 will not entirely settled by the truly most extreme well-suited cost of $151.94 in an every way that really matters, significant way. In any case, its rate could drop to around $130.65, or so they truly thought. Thus, the normal genuinely normal exchanging cost for the most part is $134.27, or so they essentially thought. Aptos cost now. At this point, Aptos cost explicitly is $4.31 with Aptos market capitalization of $560,352,691.60 in a sort of large manner. Is Aptos an especially wise venture? The figure for Aptos value sort of is very sure. It is normal that able cost could meet a bull pattern in the sort of the closest future in a truly significant manner. We sympathetic certainly remind you to constantly generally do pretty your genuinely own examination prior to putting resources into any resource in an unpretentious manner. Might Aptos at any point ascend in an unobtrusive manner? It appears to be that the very normal cost of Aptos could in every practical sense reach $4.